So as a pedestrian walking down the street and trying to cross the street, you know, you're pretty safe if you cross at a marked intersection, all the cars are stopped. You're relatively safe if you cross at a marked intersection and you make sure there's room for you to step off and you're not in front of the traffic. And you're so safe if it's an unmarked intersection, you really can't dart out. But let me tell you, when you're walking down the shoulder, you've got some real problems. Now, the shoulder, as far as the law is concerned, is the least protective of the law regarding pedestrians. The only thing less is if you cross the middle of the block and you dart out, and you're just dead in the water and probably dead when you cross the middle of the block. So, but on the shoulder, you have to be very careful. Number one, you have to be over as far as you can be. So the closer you are to the fog line, and if you get hit, the more you're going to be responsible, or at the minimum, partially responsible. The problem is that the shoulder is set up for emergency purposes, and it's not pedestrian friendly. So clearly, if you're going down the shoulder and you're 2 or 3 feet over from the fog line and some guy drifts over and hits you, you're probably going to be dead. So your heirs are going to have a decent case. But if you're walking on the fog line and you get nicked, it's going to be an uphill battle. So if you have to walk on the shoulder, then you need to be as far over as you can be, and you should walk against the traffic so you can keep an eye out what's going on, and you better have all your senses about you, because people drift over and they hit people. So remember, big responsibilities when you walk on the shoulder. You just can't walk and pretend you're walking down the sidewalk. So be careful, be safe.